In primetime news this evening, mauled, dogs wound 1-year-old child in St. Anne. Not an election ploy. Local government minister rejects notion that relaxed COVID measures signal elections are near. And bring in flexi work. Trade unions press case as government signals work from home could end soon.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day: sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking, what are your thoughts on plans to have a restricted number of spectators at sporting events? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.